Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way. Update your Baleno head unit firmware and make sure your phone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Once done, open the Android Auto app on the phone and enable the wireless Android Auto option. This allows the phone to accept a connection without a cable. Make sure the car is parked, ignition at accessory or on, and the infotainment is awake. These steps prepare both devices to discover each other and begin pairing immediately. Next, put the Baleno into pairing mode. On the infotainment screen, select Android Auto or Bluetooth settings and choose the wireless or phone pairing option. When the phone shows a pairing prompt, confirm the PIN matches the car display and accept. After pair approval, the phone will request permissions for location, contacts, and media. Grant them so Android Auto can route audio and navigation. Once permissions are granted, the initial secure handshake completes, and the systems begin. Finish by confirming the Android Auto home screen appears on the Baleno and test navigation voice and media playback to verify functionality. If it fails to connect, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both toggled on the phone, then restart the phone and the infotainment unit. This clears temporary states and often fixes pairing issues. If problems persist, check whether your phone supports the required 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, and, as a last resort, consider resetting the head unit to factory defaults to clear corrupted pairing records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.